Hello, my name is Izukimaru. This is Origami Academy. Today I'm going to make sunflower. First of all, you need 2 yellow paper of origami. Size is I cut it to a quarter size, normal origami. Then I'm going to use other brown origami. I cut it to half and I cut it half. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use scissors and glue. Now let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to fold this origami and make a triangle. Okay, and I'm going to make triangle again. Okay, and then I'm going to make triangle again. Okay, and then I'm going to, this is the, so you have this side, you can fold this line to this line, make it together, so like this. Then I'm going to use scissors, maybe, so there is, I fold like this. Okay, so this is connected side, this is not connected, so I'm going to cut here like web-ish shape. So look at me. This is gonna be the flower. Okay, I cut it like this. So this part I'm gonna open. Yes. So you can make this again. So another yellow paper you have. I'm gonna fold this, make another triangle and another triangle. This line to this line come together, so like this. Okay, this is connected side, this is not connected. I'm going to cut like this shape, so around here like this. Here you go. This side going to open. Here you go. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so just use anything is okay. Just you can use like scissors or whatever. Just you're gonna put a little bit shape, little bit, because this has a, this is side is okay, but this side has a different way. So I'm going to make a curve to the center of this flower, each flower part. So like this. Other. If you don't like the shape, like you can cut it like a little bit to edge this area. Have to do this. Okay. Okay, just make sure everything fold it inside away. Okay, like this. much done. Yes, got it. So I'm going to put these two flowers together. So but make sure like it doesn't come same way. It doesn't come like a little bit, not really same. So you can see this side and this side. So I'm gonna use glue. Put a little bit in the center. Okay. Then I'm going to put like this. Here we go. Looks like a berry flower-ish, right? Okay, looks cool. Okay, so yellow flower part is done. Now I'm going to make the center of the sunflower. So this, I cut it half and a half. I'm gonna use this paper. So I'm going to hold like this. Okay. So, like this. I'm going to cut this side a little bit, maybe like half of the paper. Oops. Don't cut it perfectly. Make sure you cut it until half of the paper. Okay, I cut everything like this. So I'm going to cut a little. I'm going to make a little bit, cut a little bit first of all. Not really perfectly curly-ish. Just gonna. So I'm going to put glue here, this part, the other side you cut, okay, and then I'm going to curl this, okay, like this. So comes this to this. So I'm going to put glue here. Then I'm gonna put this into this flower. Sunflower. It's done. That's very simple, right? So I love this. I really love this because it's very simple. You can try this out. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button and share this video with your friend and give me a comment what origami you want to see in my channel. Thank you. Enjoy your origami life.